that all one that are done for now? Yeah, we gotta get one. We ain't got enough to do all the kids yet.
Hey, Foo. Who made you?
We got 4, 5, 6, 7,
Somebody might want a
8,
hamburger.
10, 11. There's 6.
Somebody might want a hamburger.
There's 11 here. No. Yeah, it sounds like too much. What we're gonna do here?
Oh, hi. Hey, I love
Bye-bye, Chew.
one of God's miracles today.
We won. We won.
You had to run the Zoom right back and forth. You got the...
Yeah, see, they turned 6 in November, so they didn't stop that year.
Just where?
That's a camera.
So,
Okay, right down here. Okay, now if you watch, you can see it go in and out. As you go forward, and that's back. Now when you're ready, you're not recording.
There's your table over
no,
here.
he's just
red
catching people. You can go in and out, but he showed you that button, you can do in and out.
Yeah.
Okay.
At the picnic table, right over there.
Tim?
You want a soda? I got grape and orange and root beer. Brian got that sunset because every Sunday morning and
Well, I promised to get them all.
have a videotape.
Here. Now you can see.
Everybody's having a fun time today. Picking up the food.
Hey, he's got us on that one.
Okay.
I know you can use his nose to look through.
All right.
oh, he's got it all.
For some reason, just taste.
Hi, Daddy.
We'll have to ask Kyle. We have to ask Kyle. We went up first time. On Saturday. We were driving down the road.
There's Uncle Joe cooking our meat. Okay, Gary. Hi, Grammy. Gary, you can start now. She's done.
I'll tell you right
Stop. They're all there.
Hi, gorgeous.
No, this is weird.
You have to get it just
You're the youngest.
Open it and move it.
No, videotape me when I'm eating. Hit the fork. I'm talking with my mouth full. Get out of here.
Got to have a key.
Get out of here. Hello. At least we know you're not here. I'm gonna break this thing. Hi. Have a burger. Hi.
You guys push that big box together. It was you and Rose together.
Me and Warren.
8-pointer.
Oh,
Get foolish footage.
yeah, like all the kids with their tongues stuck out.
Anything else, Steve? You too? Judy, do we have the cheese out there?
Yeah.
That seafood salad is good.
Whoa! More food.
You did. You boiled the noodles. That's enough.
Mom, turn around. We want to see you. I have you zoomed in so far. Your face.
Hi.
Everybody get something.
Man.
I don't like the way I look on it, I'll tell you that.
Hey, you can't do that on TV. Really? It's all your fault, man.
See, the good thing about this is good while you eat it, and the next day you know how good it was.
I'll eat mine later.
There you go, it's back. Yeah, you probably won't be hungry.
No. I wonder what's going inside of you, huh? Well, I'll bet. Do that again.
Come on, I ain't got my teeth in. Come on.
Well, don't show them to me.
I gotta get my teeth.
Go get your teeth. Hey, I'm telling ya.
Yes, terrible, ain't it?
Hello.
Exactly.
Hey!
Hey, whoa, whoa.
Josephus, what you digging into? More vittles?
In the drawer, Jody put it in the bathroom. I got good.
What was that all about? This is what we don't talk about. Mad Magazine.
Not too much.
Don't get your finger in the way.
I got Goober. Take a look at that.
That is an 89, isn't it?
I wouldn't even let it 81 to you.
What's up?
How come your tires are all shiny? Anything on that?
Kara just loves this camera.
Spray, don't spray. Yeah. Just spray.
Tire foam.
That's good stuff.
What happens to the dirt?
Yeah, but I gotta get another battery. That's a lot.
No, not rubber.
Hi, Law.
Then we'll take it. You got rubber feet?
What's that?
In the barrel. Down back.
You're not going to keep them?
What's that plate?
The plate?
No. These are the only things down there. The wrong way, the wrong way. I'm going to put him in now.
Hi.
We're taking 5 minutes.
Oh, you had went for the double.
They keep going up. You buy some.
Just for 27 years.
Double.
That's great. Need it though, right? So you do this audit thing every end of the month? With peanut butter.
Kara. Kara.
What if you're off? Couple minutes.
Hi, Aunt Denise.
Don't get that all over again.
This much peanut butter.
Show. Start of the show. Okay, my turn.
The start of the show? Okay. I can live with that.
Calling my name.
Come on. I'm having fun. Don't deprive me. Kara, get your fingers out of my face.
You know what? Everything you're saying, huh?
There she is. Look at her eat. At least you know she does it. Kara, get out of the camera view.
You need to move, because I'm staying right here.
Yeah, I gotta cook them now. Busted. Get caught on camera.
Hi, Daddy.
Everything's done now. Huh? Talk to the hand? Is that what you're trying to say?
I gotta go.
Honky Tonk Pam.
Last time I saw it,
Beginner's luck.
Anybody want some pie? Start up with
There's
kind of
cream
glasses.
pie, there's
It's
chocolate
like
pie, and peanut butter. You have to hold things way away.
Nothing in it, just crust.
Just be happy. Daddy, we're doing this for Uncle Tim so he doesn't have to do it.
Be happy. I'm always happy. It's in my nature.
99 cents for a pie?
They gotta be good.
Get a sign, somebody, quick. Get a sign out here. Hamburger hot dog.
Moving too fast.
Hi, Bri. Tell me if I'm gonna run into you, Brian.
Huh?
Tell me if I'm gonna run into you.
You're gonna run into me.
Or some. Am I gonna run into the wall?
You're gonna run into me.
Hello, Justin.
Everybody take off the bill, catch it!
Joe,
Which one are you?
Sean.
Sean!
Hi, Sean.
Jesus. Jesus, I'm crying!
I kicked it straight.
Did you see that, Nikki?
No, that was straight.
Why do you call her Nikki?
That's her nickname.
No.
Her real name's Dominique, but that's her nickname.
Say hi again. It didn't work.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Good girl.
Which one are you? You Ryan? Hello, you Ryan? You enjoying that gum, Bruce?
Yeah.
Which one? You and
Hi.
These 11s don't even have
Let's go. No! Yeah. Such a view.
Even hit, I don't know, everything.
17-inch footprint. Barefoot? Ask him. The Bigfoot. Big size.
Three prints, 17 inches, 9 inches at the wide spot. Fish pond.
Barefoot?
17 tracks, 3 of them. You
Yep.
could see the toes and the whole thing.
Sure you could.
There's my
Fish
witness.
pond.
Who's gonna believe him?
We didn't have camera.
No, we didn't have nothing with us to take a picture of it.
Yeah.
Bigfoot?
Yeah.
No,
Prince.
Didn't have any
Judy
plastic
see him.
parents?
See the prince when we went up with them.
I don't know, but I wouldn't have gone. They said they followed them. I don't think
Where
so.
was this?
Canadian Bruce
Up
and
country somewhere, I guess.
Dan Gary and
They're
Cindy
big,
That's
they're big feet.
Up country, right?
nice glasses with
Mike
hair on
Pond.
them. Who was that, 2 or 3 years ago, right?
That's comforting.
Yeah, Butch went up second week and saw another set just below it.
Katie!
Told Warren about it. And Warren
Warren
told
didn't
him
believe
that we
us,
saw it.
remember?
Yeah.
We told Warren about it, he wanted me to, ow!
Yeah.
Next time we'll have a camera with us.
Hi,
Tim. I caught a guy coming down that chimney last Christmas. I shot him.
Yeah, right.
Annie!
Go eat it. Sit down over there.
I'm going to work on that one.
He's thinking of something. I get down.
I'm going to let it go. Next conversation.
About this size?
Now big and bad.
Oh, big feet, not big geek.
Yeah. Just a bug in the camera.
He bought two, no machine, don't plan on using it.
He said I could use
Brian
it.
can use them. Has two boats, Brian uses them.
You didn't say you guys could.
Guess what?
Judy!
That's how much you know.
You can invite you over.
I have to work this week.
Were you bored?
There you go.
Over there.
Gee.
Stick your tongue out, everybody.
Stick your tongue out, everybody.
You have to stick your tongue out.
I'll take some off.
Yeah.
So do you go on vacation?
For a week. He does take off now.
All together now. Everybody stick their tongue out at Timmy.
Went to England.
Yeah, you have to.
Heard of the X-Files, this is the Hodge Files.
I know if you go out of country,
Trying to develop it.
Go away.
Blocked in the house.
with him eating.
Wow! Okay, I'm awake.
He'll give you the
There. I rejected Hollywood. Forget it.
Jody's the one with the sunglasses on. Hey! Stay away.
Take some of these guys go by.
Hi, Uncle Gary.
Make them nervous. Go out and start video.
Say hi to the nice camera.
Say hi. Hi. Say your name. Say I'm Nikki. Can you say I'm Nikki? Go! Hi. Hi. Go, Sean. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on, Nikki. Ready? Sean, go. Take me, Nikki.
Chair over here.
Hi, Jody Lynn.
Had the horses. Unbelievable.
Uh-oh.
When Al Hunting came in for breakfast.
Join the circle.
Deer steak tonight, right? Didn't last long.
No, it didn't, but it
This is a small deer anyways.
You better get Where's Tim? He's over there.
Yeah, he's dangerous with that thing.
Huh?
Joyce eating too.
Oh, mother.
Oh, mother.
Oh, good grammar.
Here you go.
You're cool.
Ow.
I'm always comfortable.
That's what it's for. Ronnie, if we sent him,
Yep. Yep.
how can
Moose on them, shake.
is that on?
Joyce passing the hat. We got everybody in a circle. Joyce passing the hat. Let's see. Only got a quarter, honky tonk.
That's 5 cents for you.